Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear RAM on Android for faster performance. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your and you will redirect to the default web page. Left side, you will see these three bars. Tap on it. In this, select settings. Just simply tap on it. Here you will find this memory. Scroll down and you will find this option storage. Just simply tap on it, and here you can see we can literally clean up this mess. So if you tap on this cleanup, tap on this settings, and then you can select the app you want to clean up like this. Now go back, tap on this cleanup again. So when you tap on cleanup, it will, as you can see, counting and scanning something. So just wait a little bit, and as you can see, used and cleanable. So this light purple is cleanable. You can easily clean these things if you tap on this clean up large file, recycle bin clean, or app reinstall. You can do these things to literally faster your mobile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.